All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Good to see y'all again. We're not working on the Dart today. She's staying in the garage. We gotta do a little bit of other work. The van is currently broken, and I gotta be able to get the mom-mobile working again. So let's go ahead, jump right into it. So I already did some of the troubleshooting, and I found out what the problem is. So I was making some really bad rattling and whatnot. Check the injectors. Injectors are fine. If you look right here, yeah, that's not supposed to do that, as well as this one, right? And then, don't know if you can tell too well, but right here, and also right there, the cam got wiped out. So we had lifter failure on. So, after the fight of getting this valve cover off, which is an absolute nightmare because it's like hermetically sealed, it doesn't want to come off. But, you can see right here, this cam's also shot, so I'm just double checking, making sure that everything is doing what it's supposed to do in here, and make sure that nothing else is royally screwed, so we'll see. Alrighty, well, there's that. So now at this point, I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard, try to find some stuff. So let's get going. All right, guys, so we are back at it with the van. Weather hasn't been good, and then also with how work has been, I just don't feel like having the time to work on the car after a long day of work. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get back to it, and yeah, so here we go. All right, guys, GoPro's acting up, so I'm going back to the phone for a little bit. I went ahead, got this side done. This is one of the rockers that was just shot. As you can see, this thing is just not, rocking around and having a good time. So that's got to go. Yeah, there we go, focused. And then we come back over here, and then this is the camshaft that came off. As you can see, that's just completely and utterly destroyed. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, get back to work, and get this all finished up. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do next. I'm going to break free the bolt that holds the cam phaser on. Then I'm gonna insert the timing chain tensioner release arm, and you'll see that in the time lapse. And then I'm gonna go ahead, break the hardware that holds the caps on here for the intake cam. And yeah, so just go ahead, sit back and relax and enjoy the show. Alright, y'all, so here's the damage on the intake cam. This one was on its way out. This one has been done. So, yeah. These lifters here have had their time and they've clocked out permanently. Yeah. Yeah, that's done. Alright, I went ahead, replaced the two rocker arms that were here, and then this one was making some chatter, so I went ahead and replaced that one as well. Double check these ones were good. The lifters felt great, so that's fine. Went ahead and made sure the two timing dots are right here. Let me see if I can get better light on it. There we go. The two little timing marks right right there we go. Here we go. Right here we're lined up. Slid the phaser back up and over. I'm gonna get the bolt just hand threaded in there for the moment. I'm gonna dump a little bit of oil on these, and I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything. I have been riding these struggle bus nonstop with this thing since I put down the camera. You know, I needed to sit down, focus, all that fun stuff. But hey, guess what? It paid off. It's running. No check engine codes, thankfully. I'm going to take this thing for a test drive. I'll catch you on the flip side. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. I may not be the best at doing this stuff, but hey, I sure can take stuff apart and put it back together. Y'all take it easy.